I got this Kabocha Squash. I first peel the skin. This is the hardest part. It took me like just 5-6 minutes because it's a little bit hard on the outside, but just to do a little by little, and yeah, like this. Just peel most of the skin, doesn't have to be all, and I cut them into smaller pieces. Make sure to remove those seeds, and like this, use the knife and use some pressure to cut them if it's too hard. And then next step is to just boil in a hot water. Boil for like 15-20 minutes or more until they get very soft. And if the forks pierce through without resistance, that means it's done. Now it's very, very soft. And the last step is to use the hand blender to make a puree, or rather a soup. And it makes a very, very nice texture, very smooth and soft. Now add the chicken stocks, about a cup and or less, and heavy cream or milk, whichever, about half a cup or so to make it creamy. And then mix very well. Now the last step is to heat it up one more time and let it boil one time, and that's it. Kabocha squash soup is done. Add a little bit of salt to taste.